Hello and welcome everybody. ILUS stock on 27 November. Let's see that step by step with easy price prediction explained here. So it's going to be about 1 week update and the year is going to be 27 November. So let's see what would happen if we saw this seriously. Okay, if we wanted to go for 1 day update here, this is going to be such, I think that's going to be referring for us what would the ILUS stock going on 27 November. So this is going to be very easy, very important, very serious about what we want here. Okay. And here is the support resistance, and the support has been located in the value of 22 cents. Okay, 0.272 USD, and here's going to be about 18 cents. And this is going to be such a great thing that we want to appreciate during the stock movements. So this is going to be this intersection here, and this circle, okay, indicators for us that the stock will remain after it a great thing to be good for endless stock. Hope you benefit from what we had explained in this video.